Let's celebrate the 4th of July in style. All you need are a few supplies to create your own decor and give your party that patriotic and personal touch.
Yeah, Hallmark Artist Chris Russell is here to show us an easy way to use ribbon to out your love of the red, white, and blue on display. First off, did you remember your sunglasses for National Sunglasses Day today?
They're in my car.
Okay.
I didn't bring them here.
That's right. I left mine over there, so we don't have to worry about both wearing them. So you got a whole bunch of great red, white, and blue decor for us today. Yeah. Where is the best spot to display some of the ribbon garland that you have, and where did it go off to? I just saw it.
It's right here on front of the table.
See, I didn't even look over there.
Yeah,
I need to go over and get a look at it real quick.
Display it. Also, on your fireplace mantle. If you're having a party, like a little bar cart.
Yeah,
those are awesome. Anything like that would work.
Very cool. No, very cool. And where did you, is that just something that you get all put together, or did you guys DIY that up yourself?
Yeah, we made this at Hallmark. Think, Make, Share blog.
Okay.
They have the instructions. So it's really easy to do, and we have some supplies here today, and what you'll need to get started are ribbons, red, white, and blue, of course. You can get them at different craft stores. And then you'll also need some fabric paint, some cord, and some scissors.
All right.
So today, once you figure out where you want the ribbon garland to go, then you can kind of adjust as you go, depending on how long it's going to be. But to get started, we're going to make some V cuts.
Some V cuts.
Yes.
All right. Let's see if we can do this.
Okay. So
walk me through it here.
Pro tip.
Pro tips.
Pro tip. The best way to make the perfect little notch cut is to fold the ends together.
Okay.
And then you're going to cut at a 45-degree angle, so that way they're both identical.
Okay.
When it comes out, just like that.
I give mine a shot here?
Go for it.
All right.
And then once you make the cuts, it's the perfect time to get your kids in on the fun if you guys have kids. What we're going to do today is decorate it with just fabric paint.
Okay.
So we're going to add some fun dots to it.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
So you got our polka dot red, white, and blue.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Yeah, and it's really simple. You just kind of go and decorate as you see fit. You don't have to get too complicated with it. You can do dots, firework explosions on the blue.
Oh, yeah.
On the blue.
See, I already messed up my dot. Doggone it. I tell you what, me and DIY projects sometimes just do not go hand in hand. But you know what? I was just thinking to myself, it's got to be hard to mess up polka dots, but I already managed to do it on my first polka dot.
Well, these are not symmetrical polka dots. You don't have to get too complicated with it. If it's a blue ribbon, you can make stars on it.
Oh, yeah.
So you can just have fun with it and let your kids go wild.
Okay. I'm going to keep working here a little bit. So, but while I'm doing this, talk a little bit more about some other fun I know you guys got some other fun ways to involve the kids in the 4th of July parties. What are some other fun things you got going with Hallmark?
Yeah, so we have printables on Think, Make, Share blog. They're right over here on my left.
Okay.
You can print them out.
Oh, these ones over here. Sorry about that.
Yeah. So there is an American flag that you can decorate with your kids, or an eagle. And then once you get those cut out and painted, they look like this.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Now, are these on, did you print these out on cardstock?
Yeah.
Would that be a good pro tip as well? So if you want to download them, then make sure you print them on something maybe a little bit more rigid than just your normal printing paper.
Right, and these are really fun too while you're waiting for like the fireworks on the picnic blanket.
Oh, that's a great idea.
Kids don't have anything to do.
You don't want them to be sitting around on the iPads or the tablets or whatever. So make sure you get these to bring along with you. That's a fun idea. We got a nice little. Oh, I like the little. What do you call those things? Is that a windmill? I don't know. What do you call it? Anyway.
Yes.
There we go. Also, I heard something about Free Card Friday.
Yes.
What's going on with that, and how does Hallmark get involved with Free Card Friday?
Every Friday from now through September, Hallmark is giving away free cards from our Just Because line.
Okay.
You don't always need a reason to send a card. Sometimes you do it just because. And so those are here on my left. You just go into your local Hallmark store.
Okay.
Yeah. And you walk in and ask them about the Free Card Friday, and they'll get you signed up, and it's really fun. And they're free. Everybody loves free stuff.
Well, Chris, we don't always need a reason to send a card, but hey, you got this. You did a great job.
Thanks, Bill.
You're welcome.